Well, good morning. Welcome to this weekly edition of the Ag Market Network Market Report. We always coordinate this with the release of export sales that just come out. Have not even looked at them yet. I'm pulling up cotton right now. 322,100 bales. That's not correct. Hold on. All right. Let's start over. We had just gotten updated, we thought, but we were a little late on that. I'm Pat McClatchy with the Ag Market Network, and we are going to start here looking at export sales for cotton. Another good number, last week's number, and I just inadvertently announced it, over 300,000 bales. It actually, this number that just came out seconds ago, 289,000 running bales, down 10% from the previous week, up 39% from the 4-week average. Vietnam took 91,700. India, this is a good number and an eye-opener. India took 70,000. China took 43,600. Turkey took 32,200. Bangladesh took 15,500. We'd had some light cancellations, but not very much. The new crop sales of 205,900 running bales, very big, and Vietnam took 131,200 of that. China took 36,500. And let's take a look at shipments. The shipments were 383,300. So all good numbers. The market evidently is waiting to digest this. It has sold off about 3 or 4 points since the number came out. For sure, there was anticipation of good numbers. So this is not a surprise to the market. Nevertheless, it's good. Soybeans, not a good number. 270,000 metric tons. Down 80% from the previous week and down 76% from the 4-week average. Indonesia took 73,700. Mexico took 71,000 metric tons. Netherlands took 66,300 metric tons. Now, the soybean market before the report was down 2. Let's see where we are right now. Soybean market at the moment is down 3. So it's reacting or just starting to react to a negative number. Corn, net sales of 548,000 metric tons. That's up 2% from the previous week, but down 18% from the 4-week average. Colombia took 181,500. Unknown destinations took 169,900. South Korea took 138,900. The reaction there, the corn market was unchanged. Right now it's down about a penny, so it's also dropping some off of that. Wheat, 273,000 metric tons, down 61% from the previous week and down 37% from the 4-week average. So look, none of these numbers were good for grain and oilseed. And Mexico took of wheat 89,100 metric tons. South Africa took 49,900 metric tons. And Japan took 49,400 metric tons. Reaction there, wheat before the report was up 2. Right now, wheat is up a half. So negative reactions across the board. Not anything dramatic, but nevertheless negative so far. Talk about what's happened recently as far as cotton goes over the last 2 weeks. We've been trading up some. I think we've traveled up about 2 cents. But the market also has been choppy and consolidating. A little uncertainty in the market. The general feeling is that cotton demand would be good. I mean, that's been in the market. We've seen that. Good interest in cotton and good sales. So that's been a positive. The funds were short for a long time, and now we think they've come out of their shorts. That was also a supportive factor for cotton prices. And then we've got the trade deal that for months on end has seemed like it was just around the corner. It keeps getting pushed back, and the latest pushback is for maybe somewhere in the time frame of a month to 2 months we could have this thing done. And so what will be the reaction if that does happen? We continue to see good demand and we see a trade deal. Well, certainly July cotton right now that's trading at 78.47. It's possible that that market could get up to 82 even before the announcement of a trade deal. But with a trade deal, it certainly should get up into the mid-80s. There was a time when we thought it could get to 90. But things changed a little bit, and right now I think the popular thought among analysts is up as high as 85 in old crop cotton. What about new crop? Well, new crop right now, December cotton's trading 77.09. Just based on the